Again, we're NZXT HQ, as always. Today we've got these NZXT limited edition cases to show you. I was walking around the warehouse the other day, and I walked past these and kind of walked, and then I came back and I was like, oh, man needs to get one of those on a video. So here they are, the H510 limited edition cases. There's only 1,000 of these made, probably in the country, probably in the world, the universe, all the same thing, isn't it? Only 1,000 of these made around. So if you're into World of Warcraft and you're into NZXT as much as we are, we use NZXT cases in all our Rain PCs because we love the cases so much, then these are right up your street. As we just mentioned, there's two variations of the case. You've got the H510 Alliance here, the blue case on my left, your right. If you're into humans and dwarves, etc., this is the ticket for you. H510 Horde, nice little red, my favourite colour, nod to that. If you're into your orcs, your goblins, your blood elves, I've been married to 2 out of the 3 of those before. Comment them below if you can guess which 2 they are. If you're into your Burning Legion, then just, yeah, nah, there's not one for you, mate, I'm afraid, sorry. Always NZXT quality, you've got the tempered glass side panels. I'll spin these around, you might be able to see that. You've got all the artwork, as you can see, on the front and the side. It looks absolutely mint. So if you're into World of Warcraft, you're into one of these factions, guarantee you'll not be disappointed. Now we've done a quick overview. You've seen inside the box, you know, how mint the cases look. They look really nice, don't they? I'll say it again, only 1,000 of these made in the whole universe. So if you want one, you're into World of Warcraft, you like the way they look, you like NZXT, it's a match made in heaven, really. I think they look really good. Hopefully you do too. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, like down below, comment, let us know what else you want to see in the future. Like, we've got loads of videos coming up, so we're happy to hear what you want, and we'll put that in a video form. If you didn't like it, just say you suck at the bottom, but please don't, because I get quite emotional and it might actually hurt my feelings. But yeah, thanks.